Want to create the best AI video visuals? Then this site is the one for you. Here is a basic simple tutorial to help you get started. So here you arrive on the Hyper homepage. You have many options to choose from, but today we are doing text prompt to video. So first click the Create arrow, which will open up a prompt and settings menu. Here you can enter your prompt and also adjust the settings you want, such as format and zoom effects for your video. Pick a style from realistic to cyberpunk and many more. Today, I am choosing 9:16 size and realistic style. Then it's time to enter your prompt. I am going for a video of a volcano, as you can see here, and then click Create. When you are ready, your video will then begin to generate. So let's create another video prompt while we wait for the first video to generate. Now I will go for a video of a lion looking ripped and wearing boxing gloves, as you can see on the screen, with the settings as 9:16 and realistic style. That video will now be queued for generation, so I will enter a prompt for a third video. I will ask for a first-person view of outer space, and I will change the style from realistic to arcane, and will also select a zoom-in option, then click to generate video. All three videos have now generated, as you can see. So first is the outer space video, very colorful and looking amazing. Next is the ripped lion wearing the boxing gloves. This looks awesome. And the third video is the erupting volcano, which is looking quite good too. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, they look good. But you can give more detailed prompts if needed, and we can cover that on another day. Now I'm going to prompt a gorilla wearing sunglasses and a gold chain with some zoom, and I will set the style as Ghibli style and then generate. While we wait for that, if you come up to the diamond in the top right corner and click, then you will be able to see the available monthly and yearly plans for credits. So you have the free limited plan, the Explorer plan, and the Pro plan. Depending on your needs, if you go back to the home page and click the flame icon, then you can claim free credits every day so you can create more free videos and you will get a higher credit limit each day. You do this. Now here's our cool-looking gorilla. This by far one of the best free video generators out there. Like and subscribe for free. Knowledge to keep you ahead of the game.